Okay, cool. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're back with the physical level 1 DFD for the midterm case exam. Okay, cool. Right. How do I do this? Okay. So we left off with this, the level 0 logical DFD for the Ma'arab case. In the previous video, I said that I would, tidy it up a little, and this is the final version of the DFD. So let's just go through it really quick. So the customer would input their name, email, and table number into the customer login software, where then the customer login software would outflow into the customer database. They would outflow the customer's account information. Right. Okay. And then moving on, the flow would go on to the browsing menu process, where this process would take data from the menu database, which would be the menu stock availability or menu inventory or whatever we want to call it, and the menu prices. Then the customer would then confirm their order. They confirm their order in this process, and then this would outflow into the computing of a total order cost, where they would take data from the 2.0 process, which are total order items and prices. And the 3.0 process would output into the payment settlement process. Output from the customer, which is payments recorded transaction, and would outflow into the transaction database. Now, once that is done, this 4.0 process would then output again an order receipt back to the customer, right? Okay, so once all of those processes are done, this would generate a ticket order to the kitchen staff where they could process the order further, right? So that's the level 0. Now moving on into the level 1, physical DFD, I have chosen this second process, browse menu. So browse menu, right? Right. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so the physical DFD for this. The customer, where's an arrow? Right here. Yeah, okay. So the customer would need to, where's my, oh no, it's not straight. What? Okay, whatever. I'm just, oops, sorry. Oh my God. Okay. Wow. Okay. So the customer would need to, why is it taking so long? Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, that should work. Please don't bend. Okay, it bended. Okay, cool. Right, so this should be 2.1 since this is a level 1 DFD. Right, the customer would need to scan the QR code with their devices, right? Oh, is it in bold? Should it be in bold? No. Okay. Scan QR code, right? So in the process 2.0, the goal is to basically from start to finish is the customer opens the digital menu, browses around, looks at each menu's prices, selects what menus, what meals they want, and confirm their order, right? Okay. So the first physical step would they need to scan the QR code, right? So they would scan the QR code and what would show up on their oops, I should press shift so it doesn't run. Okay. Oh my god, it bended again. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, so 3.1. It would be a display menu. Why is it in bold? Display menu, right? Okay. Oh my god. This would be non-bold. Bear with me. Space. Oops. Align. No, align. Align center. Oops, sorry. Tidy up. Okay, there we go. Nice. All right, so far the customer would scan the QR code and a display menu will show up on their devices, right? So next would be oh my god, okay, it's fine. Oh no. Right here. Okay, cool. Oh no, this is wrong. I forgot. I mistakenly titled this 3.1. This should be 2.2. 2.2. Right? Okay. And this would be 2.3. Cool. Now, the display menu would show up and the customer would browse menus and prices. This shouldn't be in caps. Sorry. Menus and oops, prices, right? Okay. So far the customer scans the QR code and a display menu shows up on their devices and they would browse the menus and prices on said menu, right? Okay, cool. Once that is done, right, they would 2.4 and they would select, I spelled that wrong. Select and submit order, right? Okay. No. Oh, okay. Okay, cool. So would this process, this specific 2.0 process, would it be done here? Let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot to add the menu database, right? So where's the menu database? Oh, it's over here. Let's just put it up here, I guess. Okay. I'll tidy up later. Sure, here works, whatever. Okay. So which process would be the one taking input? Oh, sorry, the one taking output from the database. Let's see. So logically, this process, this 2.2 process would be the one taking data from the database, right? Let's align that so it doesn't bug me as much. Oh, it's so stuttery. Okay, cool. Nice. What's this? So, okay, wait. Bear with me, please. Pardon me. I'm just gonna. This is bugging me. Cool. Okay. Oh no. How do I just. Okay, nice. Right. So this can't be the end, right? Obviously, because I'm sorry, an input would need to be processed and would need to have an output, right? That's the fundamentals of a data flow, right? So this 2.4 cannot be the end. It would need to go to the process 3.0, right? So they would need to go into the next process, the compute total order cost. In fact, we could look around over here since this is my, oh no, is this not the file? Oh, this is just the level 1, I guess. Okay, cool. Okay. So this would need to go into a process. Let's see. Hold on a sec.